Hi guys, welcome back. I purchased some kurtas recently on Myntra while it was on sale. I was looking for kurtas that were appropriate for casual as well as semi-formal occasions. I've been loving block prints, so I was looking for that in the kurtas I purchased. I also tried them all for you so that you can see how they look. These are all 100% cotton, so perfect for hot and humid weather that we're having right now. For reference, I'm a UK size 14 or in most cases a large. I used to be a 12 with a size medium, but post pregnancy I put on weight and I've gone up a size, and I prefer a slightly loose fit to all my clothes, and hence I buy a large. But because I buy a large size, the sleeves and just above my waist is still a bit loose for me, so I get that tailored to fit my body perfectly. So this is how all of them look on me. The first kurta I purchased is from the brand Nayo. This is 100% cotton block printed kurta. It's navy blue and white, and it's knee length, and it's a pretty straight, simple silhouette. I've paired it with a pair of white trousers, which I think go really well with it, but at the same time look very chic and put together. I think it really looks good with leggings as well, but this is what I like because I prefer loose fits in the summer. I think the high neck is what makes this kurta very unique rather than if it was just a regular V or U neck. The blue ruffles as well makes it look very playful and youthful at the same time. They've added the ruffles on the sleeve as well, so it goes well together and makes this simple blue kurta look a little bit more special. The sizing on this kurta runs a bit small, so no matter what your size, try to get a size up so that it fits you well. I bought a large and it was way too tight for me, so I had to exchange it. It took another 2 weeks for the new size to come in. So with this kurta, definitely size up. My next kurta is from the brand TAVI. It's a hand block printed 100% cotton straight simple kurta. It's black and beige in color with these red accents all over it. I've paired it with the same trousers that I wore with my previous kurta because it being such a neutral color, I think you can pair it with anything and it will look good. You can also wear it with black or even the same red colors that you see on the kurta. The colors run on this one as well as the previous kurta because they are hand block prints. So be sure to wash these separately, and remember they do shrink a little bit on washing. So please remember that when you're buying your size. This floral printed kurta is from the brand Jaipur Kurti. It's a straight kurta and it runs a little long. It sits below my knee. The kurta is a beige color with orange as well as khaki green print on it. Hence, I've paired it with the same colored leggings from Marks and Spencer. You could also pair it with khaki green pants. If you're a fan of plazos or straight-legged trousers, I think it would look really chic too. It has a slightly retro feel because of the bell sleeves, and it has an interesting neckline and tassel detail. It also has some sequins work on the neckline, which I will show you in just a minute close up. Although they're really wide sleeves, I'm glad that they're 3/4 and not full sleeves, so it makes it a little easier to maintain. This kurta can easily be worn for any semi-formal occasion and it would look really nice. This beautiful purple kurta is from Melange by Lifestyle. It's a really pretty A-line cut kurta. It's 100% cotton, and this is a little more party wear appropriate. It has some beautiful designs and all this golden embroidery all over it. I bought this kurta apart from the color for the print on it, thinking that it was a hand block printed one, just like the other kurtas I just showed you. But it's not hand block, it's actually painted on. And if you see from the close-up shots, you can make out. But I didn't return it because I really loved the color and just the design and overall look of it. Here I've paired it with white churidar leggings. You could also pair it with pink leggings of the same color as well as off-white leggings, and it would look really nice. The embroidery on the kurta is really intricate and beautiful. It has a jali work pattern on the neckline and these little simple golden embroidery on the sleeves. The kurta has an overlapping flap in the front that is stitched all the way through, but it does look really nice when you walk. It has these tassel details, which I think it's the new trend because a lot of the kurtas that I've purchased have this little tassel on it, but it does give it a really interesting and a very pretty look to the kurtas. Saving the grandest for last, This beautiful red bandhani kurta is from the brand Ishin. It gives me really bridal vibes, this kind of red. It's a really long kurta with huge palazzo pants. It also comes with a matching mask in cotton, and it has beautiful embroidery all over it as well as on the pants. The only little drawback I have about this is that the kurta fabric itself is not as thick as I would have hoped, considering there's all this heavy embroidery on it, but it does look good and I hope that it wears well. It comes with a round neck with a tassel tie again, and it has gotapati embroidery work on it. The golden embroidery looks stunning on this vibrant red kurta, completely contrasting it. The palazzo pants that come with it are really, really wide legged and look like a skirt than pants actually when worn. But if you are a fan of that look, then you will really like this one. And that completes my Myntra try on haul. I hope it was helpful and enjoyable to watch. Do check out this site if you plan to buy anything. I find that their clothes are really good quality and they have a great selection of brands. The size specifications mentioned are accurate most of the time, but even if something doesn't work out for you, they have a really great exchange or return policy, so you should be good. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you again in my next one. Bye!